Hi everyone, it's Nate with AI Biz Clips, and today we're going to take my latest creation, Ava Sterling, who was created on Momentum Tech as an AI spokesperson, and we're going to use her to help my team build their business, and we're going to create a marketing funnel on a program called LeadsLeap. So here's LeadsLeap. We're going to log in, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're in my LeadsLeap back office. And to create a marketing system, we need a few things. We need an email series to follow up with people, which is probably what we should start with. And we need a page builder to build a page. So I think we're first going to check the email series. My sponsor in Momentum Tech provided me with some emails, so we're going to go ahead and use those for this marketing system. Okay, now that we have our email series set up, I sent you the share code, you copy the share code, you create a new list, you pop that in, and then you put in your name and your link, and it automatically populates. We have two more things to do. We have to do the page itself, but we also need a pop-up page that captures the name and email address of your prospect, and you need to do that first. So I want to show you what the page looks like right quick so you get a general idea. So let's go. So I named it Ava Sterling. She's the name of our spokesperson here, beautiful Ava. And so what that page looks like, I'll click this and you should be able to see it, and you should get a pop-up here. If I click this, that's Ava, same video, and there's the pop-up. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to set this pop-up first. You're going to change your mug to your mug or your brand or whatever you want to do, and we're going to attach this pop-up to the list that we set up in the first step. So let's do that first. Secondly, I guess. So we're going to go to the pop-up manager, and I'm going to give you a share code like we did on the email series. I'm going to click this. Let's see, Momentum Tech, that's our Ava Sterling. I'm going to send you, if you're on my team, I'm going to send you this share code. You're going to copy that. You're going to come in here, you click Add New, and instead of starting from scratch, you're going to pop that share code in, and it's going to populate, and it's going to look just like mine. Now, you can click the Launch Editor, and you can change it however you want. You can change, obviously, you're going to change the picture. You can change the heading or whatever you want in here. You're obviously going to click the picture. You can come here. You can have to upload whatever picture you want into LeadsLeap, or whatever brand or logo you have, or however you want to do it. You're going to upload that to LeadsLeap, and then you click this, and then you get it from the image gallery, which will be on the left side column. I'll show you on the flip side when we go back into it. Right now, we're in the video editor. You also need to attach your list that we created in the first step to this. So you're going to go over here and click List, and you're going to click Get the List ID. And mine was called Momentum Tech Ride the Wave. You could have named it whatever you want. Just make note of the code and the ID, and you're good to go. Now, the second thing is, this is optional. I used to do this. I quit doing it. You could put your affiliate link in here, but you run the risk of people, and there's a warning here, you run the risk of them going to your affiliate link but not actually opting into your list. So that's kind of a personal decision. That's up to you. Okay, so now that we have that part set up, we're going to go to the page itself. Okay, so I'm now back in the main session. I'm in the form pop-up we just created, 44069. I'm going to make note of that in case I need it. And then we need to create the page, and I'm going to send you another share code. So we go back to the page, and here we are with Ava Sterling. This is the page, and I'll show you right quick again. It looks like this, boom, boom, boom. So there it is. So I'm going to send you this share code. So that's 3. I know it's getting a little much, but we're going to copy this share code. I'm going to send it to you, and that copies the page itself. And you're going to come back in this page manager. You're going to click Add New Page, And instead of starting from scratch, it's going to ask you for the share code. You're going to paste that in, and it's going to make it for you. And you're going to do the same thing for the people you bring in. Let's take a look at it right quick. Click the launch the editor. We go in here, and of course, this button's in my way all the time. Every time I try to do something, this button's in my way. That's aggravating, but whatever. This is set up. The page is set up. This is set up. The only thing you have to do at this point would be to, if you wanted to change the video or change any of the text, you could do it here. But for the most part, everything's set up. What you don't want to do is, and what I have done in the past is, I made the mistake of coming to the list and hitting the list. That's not what you want to do, because you already set the list up with the pop-up campaign. So you're going to leave this blank on this page. So you're good to go. Click save. Everything's good. We'll go ahead and test it now and see if everything works. Let's do that now and make sure we're good. Okay, we're going to go ahead and test the page. But there's one thing I forgot to tell you. So you got to go ahead and click this edit button right here. You need to make sure your form is set up right here where it says Momentum Tech. You need to scroll down here and make sure that pop-up is the one you set. You do that, or it's not going to work. Okay, so but now we're going to test it, make sure everything's cool. So let's go ahead and click the link, and we're going to put in an ID. Let's see if this works. Boom, boom. There's my form. I'm going to say Nate, and I'm the tester. And we're going to put in one of my emails I don't use. NathanGurley traffic. And we're going to click get on the list. It looks like it's working. It's good. And it brings up my Momentum Tech link. I kind of like that, I guess. Okay, so here's my email, NathanGurley traffic. It's telling me to verify my email. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and everything looks to be good. Everything's working, so we're good. I'm verified. I should get an email any second now, and there it is. Here's the information you requested. Boom, 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 and then in the first step, you would have changed this link to yours, and you would have put in your name, and it changed it to this, and now you have full access to this system. I hope that helps. Please email me if you have any questions. I know I went fast. I know it's a lot of information, but it's a great system. LeadsLeap is a great system, and Momentum Tech is awesome. It's badass. So look, come on in, and I hope you join the team, and I'll do the best I can to help you. Good luck with you. God bless, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for now. Please subscribe and like. Put a lot of work into this stuff. All right, thank you. Bye.